Understanding, Pray on It, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into a phrase that often puzzles English learners, pray on it. If you've come across this phrase and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. So, let's uncover the meaning together and find out how to use it in conversation. Pray on it is an idiomatic expression in English. When someone advises you to pray on it, they're suggesting that you should pray or contemplate deeply about a decision or problem in the hope of finding guidance or clarity. It's a phrase that invokes the act of seeking divine intervention or personal reflection in making a choice. This phrase is typically used in contexts where a person is facing a dilemma or an important decision. For example, if you're unsure whether to accept a job offer or not, a friend might say, "Why don't you pray on it?" It's also often used in spiritual or religious communities, where prayer is a common practice for seeking answers. It's important to note that "pray on it" carries cultural and religious connotations. It assumes a belief in a higher power and the value of prayer as a practice. In some cultures, this phrase might not be commonly used, while in others, it could be a staple piece of advice given during times of uncertainty. For those who may not be religious or prefer a secular approach, there are alternatives. You might hear someone say, "Sleep on it," or "Think it over." These phrases carry a similar connotation of taking time to consider something carefully before making a decision. Thank you for joining us to explore the phrase, pray on it. Whether you choose to use it in your daily conversations or just understand it better when you hear it, we hope this video has been enlightening. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase is a step forward. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.